Hello dear student, this is Vijay Santu Patale, Assistant Professor in Rayat Shikshan Samstha's Swami Sahajananda Bharati College of Education, Sri Rampur. In B.Ed course 10703, Pedagogy of School Subject English, Unit number 1, Place of English in Secondary and Higher Secondary School Curriculum, that is, 3-language formula. When India attained freedom in 1947, a few radicals demanded that the use of English should be restricted to the administration level and educational system. But others had a more rational viewpoint and firmly held that English should be retained. Its role should be redefined and it should be studied. Means two groups were there. One group was protesting and one group was supporting to the English language, whereas all the people are about to learn English language. But in present day, English has become stronger, but it is not yet the lingua franca of India, as it is a foreign language and not deeply rooted in Indian soil. Because of in India there are different states, different languages, different cultures, still we are using English language. And we have been using this English language as an official language of India. This linguistic triangle has become resolved by accepting the 3-language formula, which recommends compulsory studying of 3 languages including English. Means the students who are living in Maharashtra, he has to learn mother tongue, that is Marathi language. After that, national language, that is Hindi, and third language, that is English, means as a foreign language. English was earlier introduced in the 5th standard, but now it is being taught right from 1st standard. This is the real picture of English language in all over Maharashtra or all over India. In English medium school, English is taught as the first language and used as the medium of instruction for all subjects. Whereas the second language is Hindi, although it is national language, and the third language is mother tongue. Means if the students, those who are living in any part of the state of any school, if he admits in English medium school where he has to learn English as a first language, all the subjects will be taught into English language, and second language will be Hindi, and third language will be the mother tongue of particular student or mother tongue of particular state. In non-English medium school, what happens? The mother tongue is the first language, whether it is Marathi, Telugu, Tamil, Hindi or others. And the medium of instruction for all subjects, it remains mother tongue. Hindi is also known as national language. It has second position, and English as having third language or third position in particular non-English medium schools. Even 20% of curriculum time is devoted to the teaching learning of English, and it is compulsory to pass English to clear the SSC exam. Means it is accepted by all the boards from various states of India that no one will be permitted without passing English subject or without passing English language. In more schools, English has been given even more number of block hours than mathematics or science. Means right now English is become an integral part of everyone's life. First language, it has 6 periods per week, and third language, it has 8 to 9 periods per week. Thus, it is said that good working knowledge of English has become the general and chief objective at the school level, as it is an international language. So that as a student teacher, you must know the importance of English language. It doesn't matter from where you are, which language you speak at your home or in your schools. But English language is spoken widely, not only in India but also in various countries. Thank you very much, dear students.